Alright guys, it's April 12th. We're just gonna do a fast intro here. We snuck out here this morning. We've been having this bird up here to our right about 50 yards coming down this path. So I came out here yesterday and set this blind up. So me and Brain snuck in here this morning and we got a bird roosted maybe 60-70 yards behind us. So you can hear him right there. Hopefully he heads out here this morning and we can get a shot on him. We'll keep you updated. Alright guys, you just seen what happened. We had this Tom coming, right behind us. Braden heard him, he looked out the back window and he's 20 yards away. So I got the cameras on, got my bow picked up, and I got ready. He walked not even 5 yards away from the blind. Literally I could have reached out and touched him right here. Walked right up to the decoys. I got drawn back and I shot him at, I don't know, maybe 5 yards. So he flew over here, or ran over here. We jumped out quick and grabbed him just to make sure he didn't fly away or anything. But he's dead. But we just got back in the blind. There's still other birds around, so we're gonna see if we can't get another one on the ground. Keep you updated. All right, guys. Give you a recap of the hunt here. We got in here early this morning, and behind us we had a bird roosted maybe 60 yards away. He ended up flying down on the opposite side of the field of us here. Braden did some calling. Probably about half an hour, 45 minutes later, we heard something behind us and he peeked out the back of the blind, and we had him at about 20 yards. So he ended up coming right into the decoys, as you can see in the footage, and I shot him at maybe 5 yards and he ran right over here and we got him. So I think it was a successful hunt. My first archery kill for turkeys, and we got another tag to fill, so we'll see what else happens this year.